Hi guys, we're sitting in my car in the, I think it's the Aldi car park or little car park in Southville in Bristol. Just had our coffee and there's 4 charity shops right opposite the coffee shop. So I had a little wander through and this caught my eye. I couldn't believe the price on it. £1.99. If it's complete, that's got to be a real bargain, one of the best bargains I've picked up. I've only ever seen these on YouTube videos. It says it includes 6 modules. I'm having trouble opening it with one hand. I just thought I'd do this because Nanny's shopping. So, littlebits.cc. Welcome to your very own Cloudbit Starter Kit. Oh, Nanny's just come back. Oh, we'll do this quickly. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like we've got all the modules there. And a power supply. Oh wow, that is quite amazing if they work. So obviously when we get home we'll give that a try. But there you are, hot off the press. Just been and bought it and had a quick peek inside. Right guys, I'm home now. It's the old good news, bad news scenario. The bad news is that I've researched it now, been on the littleBits website, and the littleBit Cloudbit is no longer supported. And I can't find, or haven't found so far, an app that allows me to talk to it. So that bit, which would have been really nice if we could get it working, I can't do anything with at the moment. You see the green light flashing there? It is trying to link to my Wi-Fi system. But at the moment I haven't found a suitable app to go on my PC or on my phone to actually respond to it. The littleBit app is no longer available. So, if we forget about that for a minute, take that out. We've got an on-off button and a sound trigger with an adjustable sensitivity on it, which I've played with. But if we just connect this up the right way round, we've got a servo and we've got an LED. So we just try and stick this down a little bit so we can hold it still. Okay, servo. Hang on, you worked just then. Why didn't you work? Oh yeah. I think we got a slight connection problem here as well, even though I've got them pushed down. Yeah, we're all right now. So we have actually got a servo tester. We can change that switch there. So it goes full movement one way, full movement the other, or if we have the switch the other way, it rotates, not rotates it, windscreen wiper mode. So that's handy on its own. LED, yeah, okay, LED comes on when we press the button. So yeah, that's what we've got. Bearing in mind I only paid £1.99 for it. The fact that we've got a voltage regulator, I guess, in effect there. On-off button, yeah. But the servo tester, that is handy, and a servo, so we could do things with that. So I'm not upset that I've spent a whole £1.99 and this bit we cannot get working, because I've still got value for money. What I'd really like to do though is find a way of getting this working. So we've got a SIM card in there, W20 Cloud written on it. Just watched the video back and I called that a SIM card, didn't I? It's a micro SD card. So I expect if I pop that into my PC and have a look, there'll be some sort of data on there to tell it how to work. That module is removable. I did just try plugging in one of my Wi-Fi mice in there, and I think it sort of partially recognised it. We did get a brief change in the LED setup, but so I couldn't find any way of actually getting that to work. If we leave it powered up, starts off with a white light, then it goes to green when it's trying to link to the Wi-Fi. There we go. If I hold that button down, it does go to blue flashing instead of green flashing. Not quite sure what the significance of that is. I expect I can probably still find the documentation for it if I search hard enough, but the littleBit website for the cloud no longer exists. The littleBit website still exists, but any information about the cloud app doesn't. So if you're watching this video and you've got some way of linking into that, let me know. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.